Hey shoppers, today we have a bird feeder. It's made of acrylic plastic. You can completely see through it. So you install it onto your window or your sliding glass door, and when your birds perk up to eat, you can see at all angles because it is a see-through. It comes with 4 suctions, and you just simply slip them into here. This slides in at the bottom. All right, it's installed on my window. This slides out easily to refill it. These plastic pieces clamp in so the birds can perk up so I can see it when I'm inside doing my dishes or outside enjoying the weather.